If you've seen our news recently, you'll know that Syride have released a new app to link the Sys'Nav XL to these active look glasses. We've just received a pair, so let's have a look at them. Don't forget, if you like this first look video, you can like it below and subscribe. It'll really help us out and you get to know when we get a new video out. So let's get on and look at these active look glasses. And here are the glasses in their case. We can open it up, and there they are. If you look inside, this is the electronics for showing the data on the screen. And here's the little display. Have a look at that in a second. Along with the glasses are cases, a charging cable, and some cleaners for the connections. So if we look at the glasses themselves, here you can see the charging point, so you can connect them to charge them. And there's an on-off button at the top, which you can turn off. And this is the actual screen, this little bit here. Can't really see it very easily, but this is the bit that displays the data and projects it onto the glasses themselves. But first, we need to attach that from the Syride to the phone app, and then connect the phone app to the glasses. So let's do that, and we'll see how they work. First, we need to turn on the Syride and connect it to the app. Just takes a few minutes to launch, or a few seconds. Then it should connect to Bluetooth automatically because I've already used this machine. And now you can see the two instruments are connected together. With your Syride instrument on, you can turn the glasses on by pressing and holding this button for 3 seconds. A little green light turns on. You can then go to the application and connect the active look glasses. It'll scan for a few seconds and then should show you them. You can then select them and switch them on. Now, there's various controls so you can change the light intensity and you can move the display area around a little bit. When you're wearing the glasses, the display is here in the top left of the right-hand lens. You can't see it with your left eye, only with your right eye. And it's kind of tucked away a bit out of sight. So it's not in your main vision. You have to slightly glance up to the left to look at it. You can also choose whether the varia is shown in meters per second, in feet per minute, and the altitude units. And you can also choose the speed units in kilometers an hour, miles per hour, or knots. At the moment, you can't choose what data fields you want to display. You just have those 3 fields displayed. And it gives you a readout of battery of both the device, the glasses, and your instrument. And it gives you the time. I don't know if you can see in there. You can't really see it. There you go, there's the display. You can just about make it out in there. So these are the Syride head-up display glasses. They're Active Look by Engo. And here's a few facts about them. They weigh 36 grams. They're really quite lightweight. They come in standard or wide lenses. And the battery should last 10 to 12 hours. Again, it's a USB charging via a magnetic clip. And they cost €329. Active Look is an open protocol, so you can use the glasses with other apps, such as apps for running or cycling. You can find more information about the glasses on syride.com. and we'll be testing them out over the next couple of weeks, and we'll have a full review in Cross Country magazine. I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and we'll see you again soon.